Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system for the 2019 through 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 crew cab. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers, set of 4, and the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in black or silver, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The outer shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There's a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is attached. Alongside that track are numbers which correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to give you a very custom fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you first must remove this outer cover. To do so, there are 3 dots on either side at the upper portion of this cover. We'll just squeeze in on those to pull back on that cover. And now you can see the interior of the tower. So first we'll look at the attachment of the tower to the bar. To get to that attachment, we have to pull back on this cover. So when we pull back on that cover, it allows access to the fastener that holds the tower to the bar. That fastener also is an adjustment for the pitch. The pitch is the angle of the bar in relation to the tower in order to give you an optimized position of the bar for aerodynamics and a correct fit. Now we can go ahead and close that cover, and when we do, you'll see it prevents access to that fastener. Now this lower fastener is a toe adjustment. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that with the tool that's provided with the towers. So first we'll go ahead and loosen that fastener, and now the pad and clip set assembly can be moved in 3 different positions of toe to better match the angle of the door frame. Now when it's time to tighten, this tool will click to indicate that you've tightened it properly, and that same tool is used for all the other tower fasteners. So back to the inside of the tower, and you have this fastener, and that one will pull the clip against the door frame, while the fastener underneath this hatch will pull the clip upward against the door frame. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place, and that just hinges at the bottom and clicks at the top. Now here are the clip set. That is a steel clip with a rubber contact point where it rests against the door frame, and then you have the rubber pad assembly that pivots to also better match the position where it rests on the door frame. Now on this cover here we have a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System, so you can buy these cores in matched sets so that not only all of your towers can all be key matched, but also any of Yakima's Same Key System compatible accessories and carriers can all be key matched for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.